So look at this first problem. So that f of z equal to z square is differentiable everywhere. So हमें चेक करना है कि ये फंक्शन this is differentiable everywhere. So how to check solution? So we convert first of all f of z equal to z square. Now z equal to x plus iy whole square. Squaring the bracket, so x square plus 2i xy plus I square y square equal to x square 2i xy, I square is -1. Separating real and imaginary part, so x square minus y square I times 2xy. Now compare with u plus iv. So u plus iv. Therefore, u equal to real part x square minus y square, v equal to imaginary part 2xy. Now to check that function is differentiable, you have to check out both necessary as well as sufficient condition. So first we obtain all four partial derivative with respect to x and y. So ux is 2x, uy with respect to y, u derivative keeping x constant,
-2y.
so minus 2y. Then vx equal to 2y and vy equal to 2x. So we are having this four partial derivative. Now what the CR equation says, that the function is differentiable if all first order derivative should be continuous, and second, the first order derivative should satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equation. So first we check the continuity. So if you observe the value of four partial derivative, so ux is 2x, uy is minus 2y, vx is 2y, and vy is 2x. So all these four derivative are algebraic functions of x and y, polynomial function, and we know that all polynomial functions are always continuous. So we can say that all four first order partial derivatives are continuous. That is first condition. So how to write? Number one, observe that all partial derivatives are continuous everywhere. Now we have used the word everywhere because there is no exception. ऐसा कोई भी point नहीं है जहां पे ये function discontinuous होना चाहिए, होता हो. So it is always continuous. Second, you have to check out the CR equation. तो आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले CR equation, इसका ट्रिक ऐसा है कि CR equation you have to write over here and then we have to check whether it is satisfied or not. So what are the CR equation? So Ux should be equal to Vy and Uy should be equal to minus Vx. This is Cauchy-Riemann equation. Now this must be wholes. ये सही होना चाहिए. अगर ये गलत होता है तो फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं होगा. So let us how to check. तो पहले क्या होना चाहिए हमारे पास, Ux equal to Vy. So if you look at here, this is Ux. This is our Ux and this is our Vy. And you can see the value of Ux is 2x and value of Vy is also 2x. Okay, so this equation is satisfied. दूसरी कंडीशन क्या होनी चाहिए, Uy equal to minus Vx. So Uy की वैल्यू नेगेटिव Vx होनी चाहिए. So this is Uy. This is Uy. This value is Uy and this is Vx. And you can see minus 2y and this is plus 2y. So both are having same value with opposite sign. So second condition is also satisfied. So therefore, CR equations are satisfied. So both condition necessary and sufficient are holds true. Hence, f of z equal to z square is differentiable everywhere. So this we want to prove. यही हमें चेक करना है कि so that fz equal to z square is differentiable everywhere. यहाँ पे मांगा नहीं है, लेकिन suppose you need to find in that case the derivative f dash z. So f dash z also f dash z. Now what the statement says, in necessary and sufficient condition, so f dash z in this case, if the function is differentiable, these two conditions are satisfied, then f dash z is ux plus ivx, u का derivative plus I times v का derivative. So in this problem, u का derivative ux 2x, v का derivative with respect to x 2y. So ux plus, you can write ux plus ivx. So this is equal to 2x plus I 2y. For better understanding, if you take 2 common, so x plus iy, and x plus iy is 2z. X plus iy is 2z. So therefore, f dash z equal to 2z. In this way, you can find the derivative. Now, the concept is very simple, but you can see this is holds true. अगर फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल है तो आपका डेरिवेटिव ux प्लस आई वी एक्स से लिख दो तो वही आएगा. नाउ वी नो दैट दिस इज द सिंपल रूल ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन. In ordinary calculus, we know that if fx equal to x square, then what is f dash x? 2x होगा कि नहीं? That's we know for real number system.
Yes.
तो सेम सिनारियो यहाँ पे हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. एफ जेड इक्वल टू जेड स्क्वायर दिया है तो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? 2z. So you can also write the differentiation using the rules of differentiation of real function, provided the function is differentiable. और डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी चेक करने के लिए आपको कोशी-रीमान इक्वेशन से दो कंडीशन चेकआउट करनी पड़ेगी. और अगर मांगा है कि आपको एफ डैश जेड निकालना है, सो यूएक्स प्लस आई वी एक्स, इससे भी यही आंसर है. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? ओके. Now we are having second problem. Now see, there are two functions are given, so that the following functions are nowhere differentiable. Nowhere differentiable मतलब ये फंक्शन कहीं पर भी डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है, इसका डेरिवेटिव आपको मिलेगा नहीं. So once the function is not differentiable, then either of the condition should not be satisfied from CR equation. So let us see how to check solution. Differentiable नहीं है ऐसा प्रूव करना है. A. So f of z equal to modulus z square. Now what is the value of modulus z square? 49 number.
X square plus
49 number Mihir Patel.
Yes,
What
sir.
is modulus z? If z equal to x plus iy, what is the value of modulus z? No idea. 25. Neil Kakadia. Neil Kakadia absent. 55.
yes sir.
If fz equal to x plus iy, what
Mod
is
of
mod z? Under root x square plus y square. ठीक है, तो
Y
उसका
square.
स्क्वायर क्या होगा? x square plus y square का स्क्वायर रूट.
Y square.
So x square plus y square, and you compare with real plus imaginary part. So u plus iv. So here the real part is x square plus y square. No coefficient of I, so we write I0. So therefore u equal to real part x square plus y square and v equal to 0. जब भी आपको डिफरेंशिएशन चेक करना हो कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स फंक्शन का, सबसे पहले यू हैव टू फाइंड all four partial derivative. So ux equal to 2x, uy equals to 2y, vx equal to 0 and vy equal to 0. ठीक है? Now you can directly see here, all these derivatives are continuous. However, CR equations are not satisfied. What are the CR equations? आपको Ux must be equal to Vy. You can see here, observe that Ux is not equal to Vy and Uy is not equal to minus Vx. Ux equal to 2x, Vy equal to 0. So these are not equal and Uy is not equal to minus y. Now this may be equal at only one point except origin. CR equations are not satisfied except origin. Origin means 0, 0. So if you take x and y 0, all these four values are 0. So CR equations are satisfied at only origin. Otherwise it is not possible. So functions are continuous everywhere and CR equations are not satisfied except at origin. So you can say that the function is not differentiable except origin, जो यहाँ पे मांगा है. इसका 0 के अलावा डेरिवेटिव नहीं मिलेगा. So you can write in this way. Therefore, CR equations are not satisfied except origin. Therefore, fz equal to mod z square is nowhere मतलब कहीं पर भी, nowhere differentiable except origin. So this is done. Now second B. In the B, what is given? F of z equal to z square into z bar. B. In B, f of z equal to z square into z bar. Again, to check the function is not analytic except origin, you can put here the value of x plus iy, z equal to, then z bar equal to x minus iy, simplifying to real and imaginary part, and check out the conditions for u and v. This is one way. Otherwise, just we proved that this function fz equal to z square is differentiable everywhere. Okay, and this is the product of two functions. So since this is differentiable everywhere, it is only sufficient to check the differentiability of z bar, because the product of two differentiable function is always differentiable. तो पूरा हम नहीं करके एक हमको मालूम है, just we check the differentiability of z bar and we can conclude from entire statement using the z. Solve this one. So since z square is differentiable everywhere, therefore it is sufficient to check differentiability of z bar. ओके तो अगर z बार डिफरेंशिएबल है तो पूरा फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल हो जाएगा, z बार डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है तो पूरा फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं होगा. ठीक है. सो नाउ फॉर z बार वी आर यूजिंग द सेम CR इक्वेशन कंडीशन. सो z बार इक्वल टू x minus iy compare with u plus iv. So u equal to x, v equal to minus y. Now obtain the first order partial derivative. So ux equal to कितना होगा? Number 1 नील आहिर
1.
and uy कितना होगा? 36 उमंग मिस्त्री
0.
यस uy इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पे vx ले लो. vx कितना होगा? 25 नील काकड़िया.
यस सर.
हाँ कितना होगा vx? 29 एनरोलमेंट नंबर.
Yes, sir. Yes,
vx
sir.
कितना होगा? v का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, दिस इज योर v इक्वल टू माइनस y. इसका
0.
0. ध्यान रखो भाई, खाली मोबाइल चालू કરીને બેસી જાઓ છો. व्हाट इज vy? vy कितना होगा? 50 नंबर
-1.
vy 50 नंबर राज पटेल
-1.
-1. वेरी गुड. હવે જુઓ તમે, you can see that these CR equations are ux equal to, आपको अगर कंफ्यूजन आता तो पहले लिख देने का यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट. You have to remember the CR equations always in this form. 3-4 बार रट्टा मार लेने का कि ux इक्वल टू vy and uy equal to minus vx in the case when f equal to u plus iv. So first we write here this CR equation. So ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. આવું પેલા લખી દેવાનું. હવે જોવાનું કે સાચું પડે છે તો ux ક્યાં છે તમારો? 1 અને vy કયો છે તમારો? -1. So are these equal? No. So you cancel this equal sign. So ux is not equal to vy. However, you are getting second equation. दूसरी मिलती है uy equal to minus vx. This is true, but first is not satisfied. So this is not satisfied. Therefore, CR equations are not satisfied. तो क्या होगा? Z bar is not differentiable. Therefore, Z bar is nowhere differentiable. This implies that f of z equal to z square into z bar is also nowhere differentiable. दिस इज proved. ठीक है. Now